starting with these dibblers. This is the tool we use to create the hole that we put the plant in. They have these spikes at the end of the stick and this little foot pedal. So when I'm ready, I can just stomp on it and it'll create a hole exactly this big in the ground. This is the one we use. This is for our size containers, but they do come in different sizes. This one is longer and skinnier, so that's for a different size cone. So it's a really rad tool. I don't know why they're called dibblers, but they are. And they're pretty fun to work with as long as the soil isn't rock hard, which sometimes it is. All right, before we can start using the dibblers and putting the plants in the ground, we have to create space for them in the mulch. And that's a technique we call mulling. I also don't know where that term came from, but what we want to do basically is move the wood chips out of the way to expose the paper or the cardboard. So that way, when we're using the dibbler, we know exactly where we're going and the wood chips won't fall directly into the hole as soon as we punch into it. So I'm going to show you what we do for that, and then this tool, the beautiful handcrafted tool by Vaughn. It's exactly 18 inches from point to point, and that's the spacing we use for our planting. We try to create an offset pattern, kind of like if you imagine the 5 side of a die. So there's 2, 1, 2. That's why it's a triangle, and I'm going to show you that right now. See if I can tilt. Okay, so if I put the triangle here, I'm going to create this little like hand-sized hole, exposing the cardboard. Sorry, this is going to blow over. And then the next one is going to be at this point. And the next one up here at this point. And that is the perfect 18-inch spacing. And then we can put this here where those two are and make the third point up here. So this tool is really helpful for people that are new to mulling and planting, or just like can't see spacing in their head, like measurements, which I can't usually now because I've worked here for so long. I feel like I got it, but it's definitely a helpful tool, and it is really important that we get the 18-inch spacing, is because all of our planning and the number of plants we order is based on that 18-inch spacing. So super important. If they're too close, we'll run out of plants before we're done with the plot, and if they're too far away, we'll have like a ton extra and it'll just look kind of sparse. So that's an important part of planting. And now someone can come through with a dibbler and mull and poke holes in these spots. So I'm gonna dibble these really quick, and then I'm gonna show you how we put the plants actually in the ground. Now that someone has come through and mulled all our holes for the area, people can follow them with dibblers, and all you do, put it in the center of the mold area, stomp down on it until the disc on the bottom of the dibbler is flush up against the soil, or the cardboard I mean, and then just give it a wiggle or two, and that creates a wider little area to put the plant in. If it's too narrow, it's really hard to get the plant in, and sometimes if the soil is super loose, it can just collapse on itself, so giving that wiggle helps, stretch it out a little bit. Alright, so we have some dibbled holes, and now it is time to put the plant in them. Usually when we're working with a big crew, we'll have someone go and throw out the plants right next to the hole, and that way other people can follow them and just they know what plant's going in what hole, and they can get a lot done at once. I am planting some Juncus effusus, which is a nice tall fungus. And usually in areas like wetlands and forbs and scrub, when we're planting those different species, we like to plant more than one species in the area because that will give a nice like mosaic at the end. So I might plant clumps of 5 or 6 of different species in one area. So I have Juncus effusus, we have Carex harcourtii, we have Juncus patens, and Juncus xiphoides, or xiphoides. And so I'm just going to make a little mosaic of those species here, so I get a nice diverse wetland area. Now that the holes have been dibbled, we're ready to plant. These have been set aside next to the hole. This is Juncus effusus. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I like saying it that way. It's in this plastic container, and what we're going to do is get the plant out of this container. We want to make sure that we're not pulling the plant out without the rest of the soil. A lot of these are already established, so you can see that they have a ton of roots already, but some of our more delicate forbs and stuff haven't created that root system yet, so you have to be really gentle getting these out. Most of the plants we have, you can get them out pretty easily, especially if they are graminoid or a grass. They're pretty sturdy, and so you can actually, after you pinch the cone, you can pull them right at the base of their roots, not up here, not here, right at the base. And if you feel them coming out, that's good. You can continue to pull it. If you're pulling on them and it's not budging, do not continue to pull it. You could break off the plant. But in that case, you would continue like squeezing it and then bang it against your knee or your boot or whatever, and it'll pop out. Last case scenario, you'd want to just like poke it through and it should pop up. But anyways, most of them are pretty easy to get out. You can see that this plant is very root bound. It's done a lot of root development while it's been in these cones. At the bottom here, it's creating this swirl, and that is like a telltale sign of it wants to be planted. So before we plant these, if we just planted this here, it would be stunted probably for a while. It wouldn't die, but it would need a lot of work to get its roots out of this coil and out into the soil. So we're just going to help it, give it a little head start, and kind of break up those roots and get them untangled. You can even break them off if you need to, but you really just want to like free them. And so when they're in the ground, they have a head start and they can go spread out. So here I have that. The hole is here. Hopefully the person who dibbled, which was me, created a wide enough circle so I can just put this in and it should fit pretty snugly right now. You don't want any part of the plant sticking up. If it's sticking out of the hole, the roots could dry out and the plant would die. So you want to make sure it's level with the cardboard and that it's just nice and snug. And even like massaging that soil at the top and kind of mixing it with the other soil that is already on the ground as well. So the plant's in. Now we want to make sure, this is super important, make sure that the wood chip mulch gets covered, or that cardboard gets covered with that wood chip mulch. And that way the plant will stay as wet as possible and the weeds won't come up through. Last thing, after everything's been planted, it's really important that someone comes and waters these. It's really important to get them watered that day so they can start their growth into the new, like the soil that's actually in the ground, and spread out their roots and not dry up or anything like that. So once we have an area done, we'll have someone come through with a hose and a water wand, just the spigot that you hold. And we do something called spot watering. We don't usually use sprinklers because if you're using sprinklers, you're not only watering the plants that you planted, but any other one, and that helps these ones grow, but not the weeds that might grow in between them.